Hi everyone. I want to show you how to set up your Gmail account so that you can unsend something if you accidentally click send. So you want to open up your Gmail account. From here you want to go to the little gearbox in the upper right. From there you want to go to settings. Make sure that you're in the general settings. Down here to undo send, you want to make sure you set this to 20 or 30 seconds. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now let me show you how it works. I'm going to send a quick email to myself. So I'll click send. Now when I click send, I'll get a little dialog box over here in the lower right. And it says message sent, and I have the chance to click undo. And when that happens, the email comes back to me. That's everything. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, give me an email. It's jrafter@gerardi.org. Thanks.